Kaizen, the engine of continuous improvement. What is Kaizen at its core? Well, the word itself comes from two Japanese characters. Kai, meaning change, and Zen, meaning good in short. It's all about good change, but in a very specific way. Kaizen promotes continuous, incremental improvements. We're not talking about overnight revolutionary changes. This is about steady, methodical progress. Let's break this down. Picture an assembly line in a manufacturing plant. Every day, that line runs to produce goods. Now, Kaizen asks, how can we make that process just a little better today than it was yesterday? Maybe workers suggest adjusting the flow, reducing a step, or eliminating unnecessary movements. By making small, regular improvements, the entire process becomes faster, more efficient, and less wasteful over time. That's Kaizen in action. But here's what makes Kaizen so powerful: it's not a top-down approach. Kaizen thrives on the idea that every single employee, from the CEO to the assembly line worker, has a role to play in identifying and solving problems. It's a culture of collective responsibility, where continuous feedback loops are encouraged. This inclusive approach means employees don't just feel like cogs in a machine, they feel like key contributors to the success of the business. One of the most important tools within Kaizen is the 5S system: sort, straighten, shine, standardize, and sustain. Let's break these down. Sort. Get rid of what you don't need. It's about eliminating unnecessary items that clutter your workspace, both physically and mentally. Straighten. Organize what's left. Every tool, every item should have its place, so you don't waste time looking for things. Shine. Keep your workspace clean. It's about pride in the environment, ensuring everything is in working order. Standardize. Create routines and processes that everyone follows. Consistency is key to efficiency. Sustain. This is the hardest step. It's all about maintaining discipline, ensuring those improvements don't fade away after a few days or weeks. Together, these steps help create an organized, efficient workspace where waste, whether in terms of time, material, or effort, is minimized. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Kaizen is not just limited to physical processes. It's widely used in service industries, in healthcare, and more. Have a look at the tech industry, for example. A company might apply Kaizen principles to software development, seeking small, ongoing improvements in coding practices, testing, or deployment. It's the idea of optimizing every layer of the system, not just once, but continuously. And while we're on the subject of optimization, Kaizen integrates beautifully with other methodologies. Think about Lean and Six Sigma. Lean focuses on eliminating waste, and Six Sigma on reducing defects. Now, add Kaizen into the mix, and you have a constant cycle of improvement that ensures processes aren't just streamlined or error-free, but evolving and improving every single day. In a world that's constantly evolving, Kaizen is your toolkit for staying ahead. By embedding continuous improvement into your company's DNA, you're not just solving today's problems, you're building a culture of innovation that drives long-term success. So remember, Kaizen isn't about giant leaps, it's about small, thoughtful steps forward. With every change, no matter how small, you're not just improving your process, you're improving your mindset, your team, and ultimately your entire business.